Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome back to Perry Elementary this week on Monday, October 22nd. So a couple announcements for today. For our 5th grade, you are going on a field trip today, and it's an exciting one. You're going on the Challenger field trip today. So hopefully remember your best behaviors, remember your pause. You want to represent Perry in a very positive way. So let's make sure that you are appropriate during the field trip. I'm sure all of you will have a great time and you'll learn a lot. For our lunch choices today, we have chicken tenders and waffle, cheese-filled Boscos with sauce, and then Peppy pizza salad with bread. And today I do have kindergartners one more time for our bullying that we're working on through the month of October to practice some things that we can do about not bullying and help people out who might be.
All right, boys and girls, it is time for our pause. We have 3 students here from kindergarten who are going to talk about some things about bullying because that's what we've been focusing on this month. So they all have suggestions about what you should be doing and not being bullied.
Helping someone up. And say sorry if you hit someone. And don't hit somebody when they're talking to a friend.
Those are all great suggestions, boys and girls. Thank you very much.
And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. All right, if you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure that you're standing. You have a hand over your heart. I
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, great job, guys, with the Pledge of Allegiance today. All right, boys and girls, it's Monday. Let's have an exciting start to our week. Remember, you make the choices. You decide what kind of day you're going to have, so let's have a great one.